In the last lecture, we have covered mesh analysis. Today, I am teaching you the super mesh or the mesh current analysis. ठीक है? So, I am drawing a very simple diagram. In this, current source is included. Suppose this is 10 volt, 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 6 volt and 5 ampere. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास will have current source, will have two mesh. One of the mesh is I1 or another one mesh is I2. ठीक है, now just imagine that current source is your enemy. Okay, now tell me, will you go through the path where your enemy is present? No, na. So what you will choose? You will choose the longest path, like where your enemy is not present. Like suppose you are standing at A, you will move from A to B, then B to C, then C to D, then D to E, then E to F, F to A. Because why you are not moving through this path? Because here is your enemy. Okay, so you will not move through the path where current source is present. KVL states that algebraic sum of all the EMF plus algebraic sum of all the voltage drop is equals to 0. That's why we don't consider the Kirchhoff voltage law across the current source. We have to avoid the path where current source is present. Okay, so this is technically known as the super mesh. Okay, in technical language it is called as the super mesh. What is super mesh? That is A, B, C, D, F, A. That is the super mesh. Now according to the KVL, what would be the equation? Again we have marked the current direction, we mark the sign convention. According to the current direction, positive negative sign is same जो हमने पहले पढ़ा था. ठीक है, now after that what we need to do? Again apply KVL. You are moving from A to B, B to C. So whatever the second sign is there, you have to move it according to, that would be A to B, second sign, minus 2 I1 minus 4 I2 minus 2 I1 minus 4 I2 minus 6 plus 10 is equals to 0. Okay, so this is the first equation that we are getting from the super mesh. Okay, now another equation we need to make it from the current source, because current source से तो equation बनी नहीं है. तो current source is the 5 ampere, right? Current source कितना है? 5 ampere. I1 की now we have to see that current source is in the middle branch or in the corner branch. Tell me. Current source is in the middle branch, and in the middle branch there is a flow of single current or double current. In the middle branch there is always flow of double current. So from this side I1 is flowing and from this side I2 is flowing, right? So I1 direction and 5 ampere direction are completely opposite, so that would be minus I1. Correct? Now I2 direction and 5 ampere direction are same, right? Because I2 is also moving like down to up and 5 ampere is also moving down to up. So it would be plus I2 is equals to 5. This is the second equation. So we'll have two variables, two equations. Got it? Now after that we'll study the next topic, that is star delta transformation. Okay, so how we can solve for star delta? Basically we'll have two types of supply. One of the supply is the single phase supply, another supply is the three phase supply. Okay, single phase supply mein will have single wire और उसमें करंट फ्लो होता है। 3 फेज में विल हैव 3 वायर्स, तो सिंगल फेज सप्लाई में विल हैव द 3 वायर्स, बट 3 फेज सप्लाई में विल हैव द 3 वायर्स। इसमें एक ही वायर होती है, इसमें 3 वायर्स होती हैं, रेड, येलो, ब्लू, राइट। तो दिस वायर कैन बी, मतलब इसको हम आपके, हाँ RYB, सॉरी मैंने ये हो गया उल्टा कर दिया। अब इसमें हमारे पास क्या होता है,